What if an alien signal just entered our solar system, disguised as a fast-moving object? Could it inspire a revolution in your favorite play-to-earn games, unlocking rare artifacts or untapped resources? Let's explore how this Oumuamua-like visitor could change the way you mine, earn, and dominate games like Alien Worlds. Imagine this. A mysterious object rockets into our solar system at a speed so mind-boggling, scientists are scratching their heads. It's faster than any natural asteroid or comet we've ever recorded. This is the kind of discovery that makes you wonder, what are we looking at? Could this be the next Oumuamua moment? Just when we thought space had no more surprises for us, astronomers find something that challenges everything we thought we knew. So, here's what astronomers have uncovered so far. This unusual object entered our solar system on a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it isn't bound by our sun's gravitational pull. It's simply passing through, like an intergalactic tourist that just stopped by uninvited. But here's the kicker. It's moving at a velocity far beyond what any typical object trapped in the sun's orbit could achieve. That speed alone makes it extraordinary, and its origins? Completely unknown. There's no clear source within our solar system. Instead, it seems to be an interstellar visitor, much like Oumuamua, which baffled scientists back in 2017. Here's what's got astronomers glued to their telescopes. The object's trajectory is almost impossibly odd. Usually, when comets or asteroids approach, they follow stable, predictable paths influenced by gravity. But not this one. It's moving at an angle that practically declares, "I don't belong here." And that's where speculation gets wild. Is it some natural anomaly no one's seen before? Or is there a chance, however slim, that it's something beyond nature, something engineered? For context, let's go back to Oumuamua for a second. That was the first object we identified as interstellar. Unlike normal comets, it didn't have a visible tail of gas or ice vapor that would explain its motion. To make things even weirder, it picked up speed as it left, almost as though it was powered by something beyond natural physics. Some scientists suggested it could have been covered in a thin layer of hydrogen ice, while others leaned hard into the idea of it being alien tech, like a light sail pushed by starlight. Now, with this new find, those discussions are starting again. The comparisons don't stop at speed or movement. Take its structure. While we don't have detailed visuals yet, preliminary data suggests it doesn't behave like a rigid, solid mass, which is what we'd expect from something like an asteroid. Could this be some composite object of mixed materials we haven't encountered? Or maybe a fragment of something larger, thrown from a distant star system? For natural theorists, the idea of it being a chunk of a shattered exoplanet is tempting. For others, though, the lack of simple explanations fuels more creative theories about its origins. There's one more thing setting this object apart: its potential as a messenger from another star system. If it's truly interstellar, it didn't just emerge from some asteroid belt within our solar system. It's traveled millions, maybe even billions, of years to reach us. That makes it, in a way, a capsule of information. Not letters or symbols, of course, but clues about how planets, stars, and objects evolve in other parts of our galaxy. And if its speed and trajectory don't match natural forces as we understand them, it's hard not to entertain the idea of some external influence. Even Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb suggested that such interstellar objects might represent alien probes, not just space rocks. This is where things get fun, blending science with imagination. Let's suspend disbelief for a second. What if an advanced civilization actually sent this object our way? Not necessarily to communicate, but as a kind of reconnaissance device. Its erratic behavior could even be intentional, designed to throw off primitive civilizations like ours. That's the beauty of discoveries like this. They open the door to endless possibilities, sometimes extending beyond science and into science fiction. It's why this discovery resonates beyond the realm of academics. You've seen it happen before. Stories like this inspire everything from movies to novels to video games. Think about how sci-fi developers could take inspiration from the concept of a mysterious interstellar visitor. They might reimagine it as some priceless artifact, a source of rare energy, or even the blueprint for an alien ship. There's something thrilling about watching the imaginary and the real overlap, creating new opportunities to explore ideas we've barely begun to understand. But here's the twist. This isn't just about scientists or storytellers anymore. What if this object, or at least the idea of it, helped revolutionize how we interact with games? There are ways strange discoveries like this one could blur the line between reality and virtual worlds, creating immersive new experiences. Let's uncover how this cosmic interloper could set off an entirely new era in play-to-earn gaming, where the mysteries of space directly influence the economies and adventures of your favorite games. What if this strange, fast-moving object wasn't just catching the attention of astronomers, but also held the power to reshape play-to-earn games as we know them? Let's take that mind-blowing reality of interstellar visitors and bring it into the gaming universe. Imagine it, a mysterious anomaly turned into the rarest in-game artifact, one that players compete to uncover, mine, or control. The crossover between scientific discovery and game design could open a brand new frontier, making your next play-to-earn adventure truly one of a kind. To start, think about the object's traits: speed, unknown, origin, and a trajectory unlike anything seen before. Translating those characteristics into games might mean creating an artifact based on the object, something hard to reach due to its erratic movement or protected by unique challenges. In games like Alien Worlds, this could mean introducing a new item, a hyperspeed interstellar shard. Accessing it could require navigating uncharted territories or even crafting specialized tools. What makes the idea even richer is its tie to a real-world mystery, adding an extra layer of immersion that's hard to replicate with purely fictional ideas. Now, let's take it further. Based on what astronomers suspect about such objects, they may be made of unusual materials, things never before seen in our solar system. Imagine if a game used that as inspiration, creating an in-game substance derived from an interstellar origin. This could completely transform how players gather resources. For instance, mining parts of the object might yield fragments coded as rare NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These fragments could unlock crafting recipes for powerful tools, vehicles, or even spaceships. And because blockchain powers unique ownership, these items wouldn't just exist within the game. Players could trade or sell them on external marketplaces, blurring the lines between gaming, economics, and real-life rewards. This kind of feature, where real-world inspirations feed directly into gameplay, thrives on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional games where rare items exist only on centralized servers, blockchain ensures that anything linked to the object, whether artifacts or rare loot, remains unique and owned by players. Picture this: a gamer mines an interstellar core in Alien Worlds and immediately lists it on a marketplace. Another player might buy it to unlock access to an entirely new planet within the game. Blockchain allows every trade or creation to be transparent and permanent, adding layers of strategy and collaboration. It's wild to think that a real interstellar visitor could spark ideas that reach far beyond science. This isn't just a story about space, it's about how discoveries like these fuel creativity, innovation, and whole new ways of interacting with virtual worlds. That's the magic of blending the unknown with technology. It transforms what's possible. So, how will you get involved? Whether it's diving into games inspired by this mystery or rethinking your strategy in play-to-earn ecosystems, the future is wide open. Science fiction is beginning to feel a lot like science reality. What role will you play as these worlds collide?